Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create a website for free with the AI. How to do that and what AI we will use. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here I would like to use this Readdy AI and I am accessing it from my laptop to get the more spacious view. And you can find it out this Readdy AI and simply click it. And of course, to get the access, you need to do the login first with your email. And if you would like to start it off by entering or fill this from section, you can actually do it, but again, it will go back to the login first that you need to do. And after do the login first with your email, it will usually direct you into this section. So it simply that you need to create your folder first about your project or your website that you would like to create. For example, I would like to create the folder about the conservation of the whales, and you can click create, and after that you can start to put your prompt or your request about the website that you would like to create. For example, I have prepared it for you guys about the prompt or the website that I would like to make. For example, I would like to create the website that contains or showing about the experience of the people getting have or having the picture with the any kind of whales, and also that website contains the funding for the whale conservation. And after that you can continue to click send over here, and if you would like to add more audio or the image, then you can upload or attach the image right here. And after you generate it, it will usually direct you into this page. So I have tried to generate my prompt to become a website. So this is the look of the website. It may usually take 1 until 5 minutes to generate this prompt into this website. As you can see, this is actually a beautiful website. It already contains home, experience, gallery, conservation, about, and also support conservation. It's already suitable with this about what I want in this website. And after that, if you would like to add the component from this website, then you can ask this Readdy AI to add something. For example, I wanted that this website contains about the testimonials from the 10 people who had ever had the experience with the whales. So you can enter it, and after that this AI will process your request, and after that they will give you the several testimonials from the another, let's say, another user or customer. Well, initially this website did not contain this testimonial, but since I requested, then it already shown over here. And for example, if you would like to add something more about the menu, that I I was worrying that this website only being limited because the experience will be run only once every month to maintain the well-being of the whales. And after that you can enter, then this Readdy AI will help you to generate your request or your prompt. And after that, this about or the profile will give the informations that this services is being limited and only will only be run once in a month. Like this, the information. And if you would like to add something such as the photo on the photo gallery like this, then you can upload a picture right here. And after that, this Readdy AI will help you to upload this picture. And if you would like to see this picture, this website fully on a screen, then you can click full screen. And this is the look if you would like to, before you present this website for the public. And you can click escape on your keyboard if you would like to go back this into this section. And after that, you can click publish if you would like to publish this website. But if you would like to delete the project, you can go to this whale project and you click these three dots beside the project that you would like to delete and click delete. Or if you would like to rename, then you can simply rename it. Or if you would like to add more project to or add more website, then you can click new project. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and also I really or strongly recommend you to try this Readdy AI. Let's say if you would like to build your portfolio with this website, then you can try this Readdy AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give the like and also subscribe this channel to watch more our another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.